What if I told you that working hard every day is not enough to succeed? What if the reason your life isn't changing is because you're working on the wrong thing? There's a simple philosophy that can change your life forever. Work harder on yourself than you do on your job. Most people spend years working hard every single day, but their life doesn't really change. Why? Because they are working on the wrong thing. If you work hard on your job, you can make a living. But if you work hard on yourself, you can make a fortune. The question is not just how hard you work. The real question is, who are you becoming? Success is not something you chase. Success is something you attract by the person you become. If you become more valuable, your income will increase. If you develop better skills, your opportunities will increase. If you grow as a person, your life will grow with you. But here's the challenge. Working on yourself is not easy. It's easy to go to work every day. It's easy to follow a routine, but it's not easy to discipline your mind. It's not easy to change your habits, and that's why most people stay the same. The biggest challenge in your life is not your job. It's you, your mindset, your habits, your attitude. That's the real battlefield. Some days you feel motivated, some days you don't. But successful people don't rely on motivation. They rely on discipline. You have to train yourself to do the things you don't feel like doing. You have to push yourself when nobody is watching, because growth only happens in discomfort. Now ask yourself, why not you? Why can't you succeed? Why can't you change your life? You have the ability. You have the potential. So why not you? And more importantly, why not now? There will never be a perfect time. If you keep waiting, you will wait forever. The time to starting is now. Start small. One decision, one action, one step at a time. Because small actions create big results. Remember this. Your life does not change by chance. It changes by choice. So decide today to become stronger, to become smarter, to become disciplined, to become the person that success is attracted to. Because in the end, it's not about what happens to you. It's about who you become. And if you commit to working on yourself, there is no limit to what you can achieve.